Hey guys, we're gonna go pick up the Jamaica Good Life shirt. There's Iryon, he had a haircut.
Hey!
So no history is in the making right now. Boom! You see what I said? Yes, yeah. I know, it's a history. Yeah, yes. Official, see that? The first man printing in Jamaica. Official. And then Jamaica color that. You see, say, yo, give thanks, yeah, man. Tell them the name.
Huh?
Tell them company name we printed.
Dean Dutch Designs.
Industry Designs. Where you from?
Dean Dutch Designs.
Dean Dutch Designs. Dean.
Some good stuff about the media. Some good stuff about the media.
That's cool, man.
Can wash and everything.
Everything. It's just like this.
Yeah. Oh, no, see the brand. I don't see what going on, so. How do you say that? Yeah, and the biggest thing right now going on in the world, you know. Check it on YouTube. Jamaica Good Life. See it there? And the brand that the whole world must know, yeah. We'll launch Ghana Good Life in a couple of months. Go Africa. Then Trinidad Good Life will come next. Yes! Yeah, look on $1 million empire in the making. See it there? Yes! Jamaica nice and proud. Nice and proud. So now the color them look a shift. You have a different black. But based on size.
Yeah, no, based on the small.
Small is a
But
deeper,
it's
deeper
still
black.
black. It's still black. It's
Yeah.
just a shade.
Yeah.
They got a t-shirt to print for a baby. I don't know if they will receive the
Baby?
Yeah.
A onesie. I think for the baby and the mother.
Yeah.
Not sure it's not.
Really?
Yeah, really. I must have March 24 14.
Yeah, no.
Everybody's official. This was printed in Jamaica. By Jamaicans. For Jamaicans. And here's our supermodel. He'll be wearing the first shirt.
Right?
Put it on, man. Put it on. Don't put it over the shirt. See the supermodel there. Jamaica Good Life. We did it, guys. And see Iryon there.
Yeah, still me, no? Still me.
So this is all new team members. See that? Going on. History. Boom! 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 I had that head up. You see him there?
Jamaica Good Life.
Yes. Flop out the collar. Yes. Yeah, man, I you that. You live the brand, you wear the brand, tuck it in now from underneath. Pull the shirt down now from the front. Yeah, pull it down. Yes, fashion king. Yes, alright, we go fix up the neck or so. Boom, fashion king, boom. See it there. You just finished that one, yeah? Is that free one, this?
That's what we hear.
Am I one this? Lord, give thanks, yeah, sir.
Yo, let me back number 3.
You see it? It's official.
Yeah, man. Right, man. Go.
Turn it around for me. Yeah, straight. Respect, feel that. Straight, yes. Boom. Let them know. They're loud, proud. Them now forget that JGL to the world. Randy says so. Now ready to take over the world now. Put this up on you. Yeah, come on, Jamaica Good Life. Come on, you have the brand. Take your time with it. Boom. Come out to the world. Let them know. Boom. Hey, what on, boss? What on? What you say? You see this yourself? Let me show you something. You see this yourself? Mm-hmm. You respect that?
Yeah, man.
Why do you respect that, bro?
I respect it.
Hey.
Oh, because you don't know I the brand for life, you know. I the brand for life.
Once a Jamaica.
Yes.
You see?
Yeah, man, I the brand for
This is
life.
the first shirt in a Jamaica just printed right now, you know.
Yeah,
YouTube, you go and go get that.
yeah,
We are brand the whole Jamaica Good.
yeah,
JGL, Jamaica Good Life. Are the first shirt you see.
yeah.
So you see,
Yeah.
see there.
Yeah, man, look
So
good,
every
man.
foreigner want to come back home.
Yeah.
Culture we are dealing with, but Jamaica Good Life are dealing with them things. Yeah.
Natural food, see, man.
Boom. So we're going to buy some of them things right now because we have some callaloo
Yeah.
for the Jamaica Good Life and we want some more banana.
Jackfruit good to you.
Yeah.
Stop the arthritis and what for cancers and disease and them all.
So the jackfruit?
Yeah, man, the jackfruit.
Alright, so how much for the banana?
You get like $100, man.
Yeah man, Jamaica Good, you see what right?
We don't,
What you say?
Are the countryman this, you know?
No, me are the
Real
countryman.
Jamaican.
No, you are no countryman.
Eh?
Me a countryman, not you.
Yeah, man, we are countryman. Man. Born in the country, man.
Eh?
Live in the country.
What country? Not it.
Eh?
Me know say you want the shirt, you know.
Yeah. Yeah, so you see that thing. That thing full of style thing, you feel like that thing how you see it.
Yo, it's nice, man. I'm happy, you know. 15 years me I record the herb and everything, you know.
Yeah.
And the video them for people, you know. And now the people must say Jamaica.
Yeah.
Good life. You know, the negative killing thing, we are reprogramming thing.
Yeah.
When them come, them want to say we are devil with this, we negative.
Yeah.
And now we are make a positive outlook.
Out of negative.
You see me? So now
Yeah.
everybody when them see that now them realize, you know what?
Yeah. I really talk, man. Alright, so the people they get corrupt with you. Corrupt, bad.
Give thanks, my lad.
Bad. No, like.
Some
Bad.
gets-
Yeah, man.
Stop.
Pineapple sweet.
Yes, man. Hey, jackfruit, I got to sweet. Yeah, man. I say the jackfruit sweet.
Tell them your
I want
name.
right. Eh?
Tell them your name all over the world. Tell them your name.
Oh, my name, yeah, man. Jobless, the artist, you know.
A jobless?
Yeah, man, the artist, man.
You sing?
Yeah, man.
Give me a
DJ,
tune.
I mean, them jobless are nothing more, nothing less. Well, who is them soundboard that said them on a test? Run them like a life, I say me run it to a wreck. Bet they never know that my name was jobless. Well, anyway, me come and say me win the contest. No, girl, see me and say me a the best. To me, have a style now, biggest and caress. Well, I in a heart, I can't put the inches. Give up from the north and to the east and to the west. When she get me style, she dey shout out jobless. You want me name jobless and nothing more, nothing less. Nah, don't do what I
No bother.
No,
Easy.
don't do
easy.
that.
No.
No,
Take your
no,
time
no,
with
no,
them.
no.
Take your time with them,
Nah,
jobless.
done it, you know it, go. We're not done it.
Pass me the banana.
Yeah, no,
Give me
no.
one more. Just give me
Eh?
a piece more. Just
Yeah.
give me a little piece more.
Woman to look good and that a natural beauty. And in addition, girl, you fi sing and jumpy. Muggle pan down, you go muggle pan stumpy. What in your shorts and your body no bumpy. Woman to look good. Woman to look good. Real good. Look good when she wear the latest. And muggle lad post, girl, you know the hottest. 100 man see you and I say you pass the test. The way you look good, me say, girl, you are the best. Woman to look good. You see me?
Just like Hollywood. Respect,
Yeah,
sir.
no,
Keep on doing your thing, you know.
Yeah, all
Now
it-
give them give me your phone number, or Instagram or something, make the world.
Number 4800713, man. You know what job is that?
48000713.
Yeah.
If them come to Mandeville, them can come check you.
Right, that's
For the fruits and happiness and
me have
things.
food
And for the foreigner, them will feel free to come and just call you when them come Mandeville and you take care of them. You might have to put on the cart and you have to tour them and them.
Yeah, we can bring them out to the field.
See the cart, we have to rent the
man.
cart now, come on, to push off right. Respect my jobless, give me something, so we get this now. Me need that one, yeah.
Yeah, boy, you can get that one, man. But guess what?
What
The
talk to
government
me?
say we have to dash out the bag them. A plastic we have to work with them. Yeah, because they say we dash out the scandal them because they might charge you for them.
Okay.
So we have to deal with the
No man,
plastic bag,
man.
Eh?
Anything, that's
Yeah,
good, man.
so we
That's
have to
fine.
work with them and then so they bring. Baby! They must have to bring food and stuff them too, you know. Food
Oh
and
yeah,
buckets.
bring me bag
Yeah,
yourself.
when they come in and stuff like those. But
All right, sir.
don't know, so that some people now will come with this, so we have a little thing.
You know, man, I have some work, some car ups on. Nice and no. Yeah? We support you, man. So you make Jamaica Good Life work, you know, because to the Monday, I'm the CEO, you know.
Oh,
I'm the CEO, founder. You see him look like him have money.
Yeah, man, you put the money.
Look on the man jeans and look on the man thing. You see the money, me I work
Yeah.
for him. Look on him.
Yeah, man, for you see.
You see him. Me not say me not look good, but him, you know,
Yeah.
but
You see the money, you see the blessings.
You see the blessings here.
Alright, blessings
man.
are
Right, man.
I'm the big man there.
Right, man.
I know who you know. Two.
Yeah.
Give thanks, Mr.
Yeah. Only for manners and respect.
Yeah, man. Well, you go global, you know.
Yes, man.
So
Yes,
just
man.
tell the people them why them should come to Jamaica and
Yeah, man, a
come
nice
back.
place, man. Only for land and food and water. And you don't know. Only for enjoyment. Only for fun.
I want to
You understand?
listen to the bug.
Only for nice things there for enjoy. Only
Whole heap of thing, yes, sir.
enough things there for enjoy, man.
Yeah.
Only for fun there.
River,
For
food,
socialize everything.
everything.
You understand? When we socialize everything, man, we have everything there for the nice everything, man. Nice.
Well,
Great and
I
blessed.
tell my lord, I'm going to take
Oh, come on,
up
here. I will link again.
Job
Yeah,
less.
man. We will link again.
Less.
Yeah, man, I eat, man.
Yeah, that's respect.
I eat, man.
Man,
I eat, man. Big up
Alright,
yourself.
man.
Yeah?
Pig,
Ah.
Rasta, Rasta. Eat that, what is that? Yeah, but thinking, I'm going to say, what is that, man, yo? Oh, I'm going to pick up the color, though.
By the way.
I'm a low kind of blue, random. Talking to you. Hey, this is Jamaica Good Life by YouTube. Check it out, alright?
Yeah.
Don't say nothing.
So,
What you doing here, Nick? Are the shirts in Jamaica by Jamaicans? Tell them what you do here.
We do shirts, we do t-shirts, we do banners, we do posters, flyers. Basically everything to do with printings.
Give thanks. Give them your number.
318-3472.
Respect. Alright, give thanks. Now look.
let's go. Come. Well, take you out of the road. Are you good? You're most welcome.
So why them not driving?
This one, anyways. It's a lot harder for you.
Okay.
It's going to be really hard for it.
Yeah. So we're up on the film, you know. Working,
It's
man.
still on
We
the
have
shirt,
to jerk chicken. I will come out of the car. I will come out of Good Life car. How that? How that? How that? How that? What's this? How that? This song? How that? How that? I come out of the car.
Why am I telling you, we circle the whole of Mandeville.
See it there. See it there.
Why, brother? Respect.
Big up, in the place. Finally, man, finally. See that, we're there in the place. Big up, come here.
The timing, we just come in, you know.
Yeah?
From Mandeville. Just
Yeah,
come.
we say we circle the
We
whole of Mandeville.
circle the whole of man.
The
Come in.
GPS son, we all over, man.
Yeah?
What?
Then you trying to come on Mandeville first.
But we don't have no address.
But just, alright, the next time I'm going to send you Mandeville. But I mean, but I saw you saying last night, you did take us some place.
Because we're going to go place, that's how I feel.
Are you coming from Kingston?
Yeah.
Yeah,
I come
man,
from
yeah,
St.
man.
John.
St. Ann?
Yeah.
No,
You come to Stallings and...
But we stop in,
we stop in
Portmore.
Portmore first.
We went to Clarendon.
Stop at Clarendon.
Oh,
We
yeah.
went on the journey.
Oh my God, I'm so good, I'm so
Go,
good.
man, we're just
so
glad
good.
for it, alright?
We're glad for it.
Angela, I get frost while I'm going around
Yeah,
this.
I got like, listen, man.
But wait,
Yeah, so yo.
how many hours it say to take?
It's a 1 hour, 1 hour and 10 minutes.
17 minutes.
And
But it take about 3 hours.
Take around 3 hours.
Where is it to me?
You say carrying us some...
Where
it's-
exactly?
We actually went to the campsite.
So do you know how?
No. What I'm saying is, which when we come on when we reach the Mandeville, now it tell us take the exit that they run about, third exit that they run about. When we exit now, it reroute.
Oh,
So when it reroute now,
back to-
it's a make a left. We make the left and Jara
You probably brought
Rastafari
it to
now.
green.
If we're not falling a day of bed.
My grandmother always say, dirt not key unless it drop for you.
Unless it drop by you. Some people now,
Somebody,
lying at the cold.
Peter used to tell me about a man that's in your country that said, If cow no wash them foot, then it's so sweet. When people wash me for.
It's a platter when you wash your foot, man. You must say, cow no wash feet, man. It's so sweet. When you wash mine.
I'm washing every night there. Sometimes you take up some cold when you know say come. You
This one here, this one I come find out. Him is a piece of trouble. He tell me a story today, say he stab a cow act a fool, he just juke him.
Yeah?
And nobody never want to kill the cow, just tell, go, tap it on, and juke the cow.
Yes, come on him.
These are the greatest strike maker in the world.
Then he can't kick and kick me, say to come for. The butcher man them frightened tell they never not charge me for it.
Yeah, so
when they come to gone home free with the head and belly.
Oh yeah, right.
Yeah.
These are the real ones. Yeah,
Then
the first one to sell
they know,
trapping a man
And
to
they don't say, we
85-year-old.
have to get rid of the arthritis they out of your knee.
How did you get them?
Some
Yeah, man.
mind if me go wake up a morning with it because it's awful.
Listen, man.
So it's again.
I go get rid
So
of
now,
it.
so now we wake up a man without it. Tips to that.
Man, me I tell you, say, this year, for arthritis, like, because the other part of me heart to that top already.
It's like arthritis.
Let me tell you something, sweetheart. Sometimes we plan to cut him himself. Oh, we had. The doctor about a month, about 2 months now, give me one injection. See, it start to peel. Make you so have one little white spot, and when that goes to hurt me, go back down there to him. It was, oh God.
But that's why I bring them phone. You see them one here?
Yes.
Then we take care of
I
you.
appreciate them.
Mm-hmm.
Why you gonna give me?
Yes.
What about you?
Me, I go rub your shoulder every morning.
Till it broke.
No, till the bump come out, I just so. You're too bad You're too bad and precious. You're too bad and precious.
What back you know, no can't tell you.
You will tell ya?
You better tell me that coffee love me. If I can't feed me, not left. If you can't feed me, not left.
Hold it on him. Don't make him say a word and you don't capture. Him bad and precious.
So
PP.
let me tell you.
Listen to him.
It's alright. Man, your finger shut off, you know.
Sure.
Yeah, man, but how are them supposed to have the devil's ass whip, boy? Yeah,
Devil's claw?
Devil's ass whip.
Repeat.
Or the dopey ass whip.
Mr. Harrison, I never tell me how we could have brought the CH3, but we didn't know.
What did you repeat it?
I have a thing for arthritis and joint pain that I sell. It's a line on our line of products.
Yeah.
And it's Glucosamine, Chondroitin, and on MSM. But what it does, you take 5 of it, and me tell you something, the thing is just so amazing because it has all, say the average product like that has 1,000 milligram, mine have 2,400.
Is a tablet?
Yes.
We have some tablet here for
From
3 weeks now.
Let me see them.
Every look me look pan him, me put it down.
Them big.
But you can blend it up in
They're
a...
not big, and not for it to swallow. But since like 3-4 weeks now, and by myself here.
Yeah.
So with the songs of that now, me there by myself. The doctor said me give me 5 pills to take in a night, because I might get drowsy.
Oh,
5 in
okay, it's a
one.
narcotic.
5 in 1 if you take. Me not take not even one. I may have and pay $4,000 for it. Me not take no so much pill.
Well, me wouldn't take 5 narcotics if me alone either. Me wouldn't do it.
Me show one nurse yesterday. They have a clinic up the top there, so me go there, I'm sure. So on Wednesday, if you take 2, nurse said, this is the one your chance you take when you take 1. 2, you might not wake up.
No, sir. So why
What's
recommend
a good
that?
thing,
Why
you know?
recommend
And
that?
it's 4 different, and we go back to them again. We say, why we get so much pill we take in a night?
Yeah.
Me living by myself. How me I go take so much pill? Who would I call help for me? So me nobody take none. Let them just tell me. That's what Jamaica people talk about here.
You don't talk, but you don't hear me talk, I just come up airplane.
Huh?
You hear me talk?
Me say, the same thing, me nobody take none. Me take 2 or 1 when if you take 1 3 times. Then here what? Each one of the tablets we are talking about, you know, if you take two of this, two of this, two of this, and a 5 buckle of tablet, I'm going to take them in a night.
10 pills you're supposed to take.
Eh?
10 pills you're supposed to take. Because if you take two of each and a 5 buckle you have.
I may have one when I have to take in a day.
Well, a good thing, so you have the sense where you trust your body.
I tell you, man, I take about
And a good
3.
thing, you just see a nurse friend that you can I tell you the truth.
Yeah, I go up there and leave that me talk with anybody. You know, but I sit down and I keep up here and then say if me they know.
Right.
I need to get you some bone, so you can make some bone broth and start beat up bone broth every day. That will help you repair the
What it is
Like
like.
cow foot, those type of things.
Cow foot?
Beef bone
the
broth.
bone itself. You just want to get the cow
cow
bone,
foot
or the chicken bone,
Yeah,
and you boil it till the marrow come out of it.
And eat up your chicken foot.
Right?
yeah,
And them things that will help you repair the coilage in your joint.
yeah.
Right? And then now you get certain bush now we're gonna get rid of the inflammation. Turmeric and them thing there. Ginger.
Those turmeric.
Yeah.
We have I think I have a bottle here, I carry from
Do
here.
we have any?
Yeah. Turmeric?
Yeah.
Did you bring it? Me know you bring
I
down.
think I gave Auntie a bottle this morning.
Yeah, you gave Auntie.
If I have a bottle, we're gonna give her. We're gonna make sure. Let me go search.
She said she have one. Well, I like to the one that she have also.
You have turmeric here, mommy?
So she had brought down a bottle from New York.
All right, please. If you can give it to me, me tell you how to take it.
Okay.
Yeah. But even with that now, even for the time over there, whichever we know, if we can get some turmeric and some ginger and everything, we can blend up them thing the fear. And
They
get,
sell it a man in expense, what you want is more than the word.
Yeah.
yeah.
Chubby, come here, son.
Yeah. Or we can find some bushman because even the same, anything we feel deal with inflammation.
Carly, you don't know me. You know see me? Go in my room and see one back to care, come give me.
What kind of bottle?
And so they hang the last one, go on.
What kind of bottle?
Search and cut.
What kind of bottle?
It has one little pink like round the neck, what is a medication in there. We say one bottle with cork, you know. The panny, what the iron there, in the corner. This is Fairfield Mountain here.
That's what it's called.
Fairfield
Mountain. If I had known, I wouldn't have driven an hour in a man
No,
alone.
one little white, but it has a little pink round the neck. Search and until you carry a bit, let me tell you, we take out the one here. You look like you're tired, so.
Pink or orange?
No,
This?
what son? Come, let me see. Yeah.
This orange. I mean, if you get up this morning and massage your shoulder, that's why I'm tired.
Pass it for me, please, Chubby.
Me,
Pass it for me. I want it.
jerk chicken.
moving further, right?
You know?
I bought that in New York. And you know, me buy, no, me buy it, fill it in, don't, you call it?
Brooklyn?
No, ma'am, Florida, Fort
Okay.
Lauderdale.
Okay.
Fort Lauderdale,
Yeah.
me buy it.
All right, mommy, this is what we're going to do. You're going to take 4 of this, you see? You need to really take 6 because it's only 450 milligram and 50 milligram of the curcumin in it. So you really, I would, this is what I would say to you.
See if it, yeah.
We're going to open the capsules because they're capsules, right? So we're going to open up, put it in like a warm water. Do you have any milk here?
Cows,
Cow's milk?
Yeah.
Perfect. Do you have any coconut oil?
yes.
Okay, so we're going to put a tablespoon of the coconut oil in it. And we're going to put
And a pinch of black
a
pepper.
pinch of, you have any black pepper?
Yes.
Perfect. So we're going to set up that for you and you drink that and tell me how you're feeling in the morning. Tell me on camera now, but tell me how I'm feeling.
And
And
we're
if
gonna
it-
have to do, we're gonna have to get some ganja and some
No.
rum and
No,
no man.
it's not
No,
to
man, it's
smoke.
not to smoke, mommy.
It's to
No man,
drink.
it's a put on the knee.
Oh,
Are you
to
gonna
tie
wrap
on
it
to
up?
the
We're gonna,
knee.
yeah, we're gonna put it and wrap it
Okay.
and get that
Oh,
for,
so
if
we
we can get some, if we can get some pimento and some, you know, we just need to get some pimento, some rum and some,
Chubby, you can't give me a little rum.
you know, I would just set that up for you and things so you can
put the dance tight onto it.
Yeah, man. Yeah, man.
So I wouldn't be able to go to church tomorrow.
Yeah, man, we're going to make you go to church tomorrow.
Yeah, man.
We're going to start it
And
this
if we can get some
as soon
ginger
as
and
Chubby
things,
finished
let's
going
set
to
up.
with Randy.
Yeah,
man.
We
let me
start
see
that
if
up
I have
here.
any ginger. I'm
Yeah,
not
man.
sure if I have any ginger. Then you see this one now, this one at the foot where I wonder if it's this thing I'm pushing. That give me a pain here,
In the hip?
the muscle in my shoulder. Me can't
yeah.
can't comb here.
How far you can lift that and lift it up, let me see. You
Like-
can't go no further than that?
No.
Alright, we'll go see. We'll go on in a little
See
bit.
there now. Me can't use this hand to unlock the gate.
And
How long it's been
since you start
happening?
using the walker, that you start
Yeah.
realizing.
Yeah,
Okay.
So do you have to use the walker all the time?
I can't
I guess it
walk
ease
now.
up the knee.
Can't walk
Because the
without it?
knees, because the knee last night they had me quite down to here, so I said, God, I can't wonder if I clad up or so it just, when it go hot you, can't be that hot.
Come here, Randy.
The
Arjun.
coilage, that happened, man. The coilage in your knee.
You can't click.
Hold this for me.
Yeah, and then the inflammation.
You can't inside of me. And I'm
Them sexy people that rub up on you, mama.
Yeah.
I said them sexy people that rub up on you, I'm not wash me.
Me never tell you, say me I bring someone to come rub your shoulder. You think say me wanna go rub your shoulder? You think say me one responsible for you, me I bring a whole team for
Yeah,
you.
man.
I would be so glad.
You rub your foot, your shoulder.
Every morning I come massage you. You better come back from New York and catch you before we leave.
Come back.
Cause we're going to touch you with the hands.
When you gonna do that?
I think I'm gonna go on Wednesday. I'm gonna go on Wednesday.
Jamaica Good Life is in your house.
I know, but let me tell you something, sir.
Yes.
I have some children, and I was in Jamaica, and I wanted to.
So everything good cause you're on film.
Okay, yeah. Oh,
Cause me know you.
goodness.
Me know you.
You know you too. Yeah, you. Yeah, yeah, friend.
Me and you.
Yeah, man.
Me like people just like how you know, have some principle about you. You understand me? What part we left off?
You had some
You still have
kids.
some children. Yeah.
It still sleep me.
I think you can we say something about you going to New York and you say you have some
Oh,
children.
me carry them. Oh,
We'll get on
And
Patriot.
you-
Can I touch you? Can I touch you?
you're free, ma'am.
Let me introduce myself. I am Angela Burke.
Okay.
My name
Pleasure
is-
to meet you.
My name is Olga Peart.
Olga Patriot.
Peart.
Okay, so show me how far your shoulder can go. That's it?
Me touch it here now.
Okay.
Me doing like
Let me
me
see
gonna
this hand,
like
how far that one can
like
go.
this one can go every place.
Alright. So
This one now feel like when me
It's
catch
stuck
to
right
the
there.
back, it go and drop. So
Okay, so let me see the range of motion on this hand. All the way. Okay, let me see this one. Okay, so it stops here. Let's just do it again. Let me see where it stops.
yeah,
Right here. Okay, let me see this one.
this can go all the way.
Alright, perfect.
In fact, like coming down back now, me feel it in the muscle here.
Alright? Well,
Yes.
guess what? Huh? We're gonna do a little something.
Yeah.
This
So
is
when
what
you
I would
push
like
it
for you
like
to do for me. I'd like you to take your tongue and place it at the roof of your mouth, like this. I just want you to rub your tongue back and forth at the roof of your mouth. Up on your bum. Hey, back and forth from the side to side like you're touching your ears.
Like this.
Perfect, but all the way up and like you're going to touch your tonsils.
Give it to me like I
Ah.
do. So
Like you roll your tongue from teeth to back of your throat.
so
Perfect, mommy. Perfect.
okay.
Alright, my hands. I have nothing on my hands. I just washed them. You see it?
Okay, that's not trouble my foot at the back of me.
Huh?
That's not trouble my foot.
No, I want you to see my hands. That I have nothing in my hands. I have nothing on my hands whatsoever. I have
Okay.
on a
Yes.
bracelet, right?
Yes.
So all we're gonna do is to put some energy and send some energy. So what I would like is you to laugh for me. Tell me a story about when you were a young girl, or when you were a younger girl, I should say. And-
I'm old now.
No,
Yeah, old.
That's what you call it?
old girl?
It's an old girl.
Yeah, I'm old.
All right, I would like you to just rub up your tongue again and breathe in for me, like, and breathe out all the way, and let it out. I want you to do that 3 times for me.
Come again. Tell
Breathe
me.
in for me.
Breathe in like
Just
this.
breathe in, yes. And let it out all the way forcefully. Let it out. All the way, let it out. Now you have to breathe, let it out. Good. Breathe in again. And let it out. Good. One more. Give me one more. Excellent. All right.
Yeah.
Now, I'm going to touch you with my hand.
Yeah.
And it might feel extra hot. Yeah?
Yeah.
So, we don't know. We just say.
Yeah.
All right. I don't even have to touch you, you know, but I'm going to touch you because I love up pretty people.
You see, I just had for me now, no here.
Don't worry yourself, man. Exhale for me. Just breathe in and out. Just keep doing it for me. You hear? Good job. Good. Now, what kind of food you like to eat? Definitely have a little arthritis in the joint then for sure.
Me eat not a lot, but me eat yam,
You like yam?
cocoa.
Yes.
Every now and
favorite
then
that.
me eat sweet potato.
You like sweet potato?
Not that I love it, but it depends on what I'm cooking.
No. Look here. All I'm doing is balancing your energy.
Yeah.
And then you're going to lift up that hand all the way up.
Okay.
Okay.
Now,
Anytime you choose. You
you
have
see,
your
as
hand.
we choose now, it's here.
It lock?
like, yeah. It
No worries. Anytime you're ready, it will go. Wow, that's amazing. Look what's happening. That's amazing. That's way higher than it was before. Isn't it? Put it down and relax. We're in no competition. We're not ready yet. It's not
Yeah,
done yet.
it's in the giant here.
Don't worry, me don't even have to touch your hand. I don't even have to touch you, my love. Because what I want you to do is just tell me some stories. Just talk to me and tell me some few happy stories. Nobody tell me when they have the baby there, boy, they happy with the
Oh
pain.
God. Me have one weigh 14.5 pounds.
Lord Jesus, my body.
You're serious, mommy.
My body.
And the doctor tell me he wasn't going to deliver that. He was going to do a C-section. I'm afraid of this C-section because, let me give it plainly. Two people have the one people. So me afraid say now, I'm not going to allow nobody to cut me.
Yes.
No way, and not no good cut.
Tell me when you feel some fire, some heat to come on you. If you feel
Some
my hand feel hot.
Yes.
Go breathe that in.
Read it in
Just breathe in.
for one time.
No man, just keep breathing, man. And feel the heat, eh? And you're gonna lift up your skirt just a little. Me nah look, me nah look.
You can't
Alright?
look him, no look.
I them lock off for me.
Tell me if you feel the heat. When you feel the heat, you tell me. Just relax your hand for me. And just in a receiving mode. Yeah? What church do you go to?
Apostolic.
Yeah?
Grace Apostolic.
Grace Apostolic? Wow.
That is baptism in Jesus' name. Ow.
No
It
worries,
feel like it broke.
No worries, mommy. May I go hug you up?
Yes.
Or may I go make you stand up? Or may I go get off of the chair? Come to me, man. Just trust your foot, just like how you trust your Jesus. Isn't that something?
You see, repeat.
I said, isn't that something? Can I just come down? Alright, I'm going to just rock. Just from the hip, from the hip, from the hip, from the hip. Perfect. I'm telling you, I love you in your soul. In your spirit. That's what I'm saying in my mind. I'm saying, I love you. I love you. I love you.
Hallelujah.
I love you. I love you. Just keep rocking the hips with me. Just keep rocking your hips with me. That's all I want to do. So just move the hips. That's perfect.
Move the hips.
Yes, man. Dip it like you know. Dip the backbone in it. Ah, wonderful, wonderful. And then I want you to just do this now. You know, if you don't hold on, just hold on me if you need to hold on. Exhale. Exhale. Let it out like you want, let it out. Like so the 14 pound prick the day that you want, let it out quick. That wasn't really hard, don't you?
Tell the baby man.
Which one was that? Was that Chubby?
No, one we have named Robert.
Okay, where Robert there?
He lives in New York, but he works at Sugar. You know Sugar? It's in the government Apple and so.
Okay.
That's where he works.
That's where it works. Wonderful.
When Apple done, him come home in December. And then him born with that the amount. And 3 backlash feed, anytime you feed him just as say, as you take out one, you have to pull the 3.
People, I'm going to eat for 2 people.
And him did them until he grew bigger.
Trust yourself. Trust yourself, just like how you know.
I don't know when say me do him. In there about 2 months now, nearly 3 months. And he come and me gate this so. And him don't say morning. That's him boy, you see.
After you're holding 14 pounds in your cavity.
Yeah. And doctor said me Nina go have the baby. I mean the pan for 3 days. Until me say the midwife say she don't think she got worry with him, have to go to hospital.
Breathe out from my mommy. Hard. No more lamp or nothing, man. You don't need to hold lamp or nothing except me. You know, so I'm at that sweet.
More higher patient.
Oh.
There you go. Tilt it over to you. There you go. That's perfect.
Breathe.
Mama some more.
We just love you. Lift up your hands.
So now when the baby born,
Wow, touch your head.
nah born, and they say to them, say, so everybody I left in yard now, if you come look for 3 days, me up on the floor.
Oh
Then
gosh.
me say,
At home you have it?
yes, because me
Happy?
say,
Nothing could go so.
doctor say me if you come to hospital, but me never want to go hospital, as we say, 2 people have one somebody.
Me understand, me know what you say.
So all your friends they might even set up a tree. You tap in hot water. And then tell me say the name is powerful, it's wonderful. They say me no want nobody in the house but God Almighty, and don't come the baby come.
Say that again. Me know what. Oh, your condition so strong. You're getting hot, aren't you?
I'm getting hot.
Yeah, you're feeling warm. Cool things.
Now we can't
Bring up your hand. You're good to go. See there?
Angela,
Look at this.
You want me at first?
Look at that. Look at what she's doing to her arm.
It's not going straight but it go.
That's all we need.
You wonder if it's this thing, the push thing they give it to me.
No worries. What we're going to do now is to get that arm completely free. Alright? Alright, hold on. You don't need to do nothing, Mama.
Okay.
This is the thing, you know, with healing.
You
We don't need to do
look
anything, you
funny.
know. We don't need to do nothing with healing, you
Oh,
know.
where's about me?
You don't need to look funny, you know.
You know that, Randy? Healing is something where, look at the arm, could have moved more than here, so before. Oh, sorry. Right? And what happened is that now, from she talking and into the motion, and we're just letting the nothingness of the Most High Creator. Yeah?
Why?
Rock the hip. Rock the
Why
hip.
so half of you?
Rock the
Half
hip.
of you.
Rock the hip.
You know,
Rock the hip. Rock the hip.
Yes, sir.
Hip.
you know, hurt, you know.
Alright.
The knees.
Like a little bit.
Angela, I'm going to be at first.
Go on now.
Mama, what you say about me?
Nothing. She said you want whole jump on for baby.
You say you need the
The tank.
The hose what he broke.
Hit, mom. Just hit. Just hit. Look here. Want to do it?
Yes, ma'am.
It's simple.
I said all that thrills my soul is Jesus.
Move the hip. You gotta move the hip.
Every day.
There you go. Hit.
Now the foot ankle. And
You can't. Nothing can happen to you. Sing for me.
and thousand.
Swing the hip.
Bennett.
Swing. Just move it from side to side. Aye. See him there? Just like that.
What a wonderful redemption. Oh, never can a mortal know.
Isn't this amazing? Look at your hand.
His strength he given weakness.
Rock the hip. Let's rock the hip.
His
We're going to get that hand all the way over your head. Rock the hip. Move the hip, mama. Just trust me. Follow me.
Yonder everlasting
Olga.
city.
Watch that! Watch that!
I can
Move the hip for me. You have to follow me. You have to follow me. Listen to what I say. Move the hip. Move the hip. Yes.
and forever. Praise and worship the Lord.
There you go. Move the hip for me.
His
Keep the hip.
wonderful redemption. Oh, never can a mortal know. God, this strength
And I'm coming right behind you now.
living
Because me I love up on you. This is not a healing. This is me just loving up on you because me love you. Yeah? Alright, that means you have to cook me somebody for you have to be at that out, you know. Because we love we belly.
I'm a cook and coke card.
Coke card? Me no want no coke card. me no want no coke card.
None? That's good for people.
You good for what?
Good for people.
You good for people? What you do?
Can't want one thing.
Move the hip. Hip.
You taste coward since you born?
Maybe you go ahead.
Sir.
A country you come from. I mean,
Go ahead.
a Spanish you come from, so you know, we know nothing about
Go
COVID.
ahead.
You know, sir,
Move the hip for me. Hip. Not the hand, the hip.
like down
Yeah.
and up and down
Just the
and
hip.
up.
Boy. Hey. Stand up straight now. Stand up straight.
Yes, never can a mortal know.
You're good to go. You don't have to hold on to nothing.
It is
Relax.
sufficient.
Relax it out. Breathe it out. Go. When you feel it, let it out. That is the energy of God moving within you. That have nothing to do with me. Me just a conduit, just like the light switch. And I show you. Your power this, you hear? And tomorrow you're going to go heal everybody at church.
Yonder everlasting city is ever. Hallelujah.
Your current is so strong.
Oh, hallelujah. We bless you, O God, with heart of thanksgiving, Lord, as we ask your faith.
Lift up your
Lord.
hand.
Lord,
Lift up your hand,
we
Mama.
feel the
Lift up your
press-
hand.
Feel your presence. Lord, we said, Lord,
Yes, it is.
Lord, let me feel your
Say thank
presence.
him. Talk to him.
Lord.
Thank him for your moving in your hand.
Oh,
Your hand
hallelujah.
moving. Come. Move the hip some more for me. Because it's going to go right over your head. Move the hip. Hip. Oh, is it hip hooray? Sure. Come with me. Come with me. You're fine. Look at me. Don't look at me. From side to side.
His grace beyond degree.
Side to side, mommy. Tell me when you feel that heat.
The what?
The heat, when you feel a heat coming into your forehead. Tell me. Don't touch the table, none at all. We don't need no table here, so. Side to side. And step with me. Just come with me. Like we are slow down. Just trust him. You're 14-pound baby. Trust him. You trust because two people somebody. Not even like a shit. Alright. Oh God. Yeah? Alright, we work on it. We do a shoulder we do today, you know. Put up your hand.
Leave Babylon, said leave Babylon and come. Don't mind your friend, but they will love you to scorn. But when Christ was here, they were doing him just the same.
And you do your hand, you know. Push up your hand into the air. Just push up your hand into the air, mama. Just
He
trust
like
your
can't
hand.
go by himself.
No man, you just think about what you just do a while ago. Hold on. Don't think.
Beyond all knowledge.
Relax.
And
You hold too much things in your belly, mama.
food.
No.
Oh, you mean that big boy?
No.